In a dynamic business environment, the need to capture new data as per changing business needs is an ever-growing necessity. We understand that having to rely on developers for small changes can critically impact the agility your business needs to thrive in a competitive marketplace. As a result, we lose precious time and money. The FiO DynaScreen is a tool that brings a new level of capability to Apache Office. DynaScreen allows you to dynamically introduce new fields, change field types on the fly, reorder and regroup elements on the screen, allowing the administrator to make advanced changes to the screen without the need for developer support. It helps increase developer productivity by up to 20% and thereby significantly saving costs. I invite you to visit the FiO Marketplace and connect with us as a consumer or contributor to explore how you can benefit from our ecosystem. We now invite you for a short demonstration of DynaScreen in action. This is a short demonstration of the capability of the DynaScreen or Dynamic Screen Manager. The DynaScreen I'm presenting right now is a Create Account page. For ease of use, this page has been broken into 3 segments, one for the base Create Account, one for contact information, one for address. Let's assume this was created a few months ago or a year or 2 ago. The business process has slightly changed. So I now wish to see the industry code next to the SIC code, and what used to be a text box editor in this important note, we now need to see it as a rich text editor. And the phone number, which is mandatory, now needs to be the email address because my business process has changed. So let's make those 3 very simple changes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the industry code, and we're going to put that as part of right next to the SIC code, which is in position 4. We're going to go and take the important node, and we're going to make it a rich text editor. And we are then going to update the configurator. The second change we said we wanted to do was to make the phone number non-mandatory, but the email mandatory. So is required against the phone number, we say I don't want it mandatory, versus for the email, we do want it mandatory. I can do an update. And as soon as we do the update and we go and review the screen, you'll see that the industry code has come next to the SIC code. The important note has now changed to a text form editor. So we can change the field type, we can change the location, and we can also change what's mandatory. Now the email address is mandatory as opposed to phone. So the ability for us, if you look at the full scale of what you can do, is you can add calendar controls, you can add drop downs, you can add dynamic drop downs that comes from another table in the system if necessary. You can have radio pickers, you can have checkboxes, decimal spots, etc. So there's a lot of control being provided for you. I'd encourage you to view more of the capabilities and download the manual at the same time. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you. Appreciate your time for the review.